Hi everyone, this is Crafty Decoria and I hope you're all doing great. So I thought I would check in. I haven't done a Dollar Tree haul for quite a while now. It seems like forever, but I did end up going to a Dollar Tree yesterday. I went out for some groceries and I thought I'd pop into the Dollar Tree. Now for those of you who are new to my channel, I am in Canada. And in Ontario, we are on a stay-at-home order. So all of the stores have blocked off all non-essential items, and that's including Dollar Tree. So when I went in there, they only had the grocery items available, some things in the beauty department, some baby items, and they also had the patio, lawn, outdoor items available as well. So I was on the lookout for these planters and I finally ended up finding them. So they did have the terracotta color and then this tan beige color. And so I picked up these because I just want to make some larger size planters from them. And I think at $1.50 this is an awesome deal. So again, I am in Canada and a lot of the items now at Dollar Tree are $1.50. They were $1.25. So things have gone up. Here is an overview of all the items that I picked up. I will go through them one by one so that you can have a better look. I hope you enjoy. Okay, so to begin my haul, I picked up a couple cases of the Brio, and Brio is probably one of my most favorite drinks. I just love it. I love it because it's caffeine free and it's also no high fructose corn syrup in it, so that is, I think, a better drink to drink if I'm going to drink something like this. And it also has the premium craft soda with cane sugar. So I just really enjoy it and I love the flavors, especially these two. Now they also have the original Canotto Brio, but that one usually I can find it at the grocery store cheaper, so I don't pick it up at the Dollar Tree. But these two, I can't find them at my grocery store, and that's why I pick them up at Dollar Tree. So the first one here, I picked up a almost full case of the limonata. That was all they had. This one is my favorite. And then I also picked up a case and a few extra bottles of the Aranciata Rosa soda. I then picked up 4 of these adorable little butter cookie tins. And I actually did get them for the tin, and hopefully I will be able to share with you what I will be using this for. But I think these are so cute. They're adorable. I know that you can get at Dollarama, you can get the larger tin for the same price, I believe, but I really wanted to find the smaller one, so I was happy to come across those. I then picked up some Dawn non-concentrated dish soap. I use this particular soap to wash my Reborn kits. And then I came across these adorable washes. It's a 3-in-1 wash in the scent of berry. And they had Buzz and Woody. How adorable are these? So after you use the wash, you can definitely keep these if you are a Toy Story fan and display them on a shelf. They are absolutely adorable. So here's the front of Buzz and then the back. And then Woody and his back with his little pull string. And these do say gluten-free, and the size is 414 mils or 14 US fluid ounces. So I thought these were really cute. And this little hat opens up at the top. Super cute packaging. I picked up a couple more of the blender sponges by Sassy and Chic. I use these for reborning as well to blend my paints. I really like these. And then I picked up in the baby section, they had these adorable baby head wraps. So you get 2 for $1.25, which is a really great price. I do look for them on Carter's when they go on sale. But for $1.25 for two, you can't beat that. So I did pick up this pack here. So some of the signs that they had up were super cute. I could not leave without taking one of each. These are absolutely adorable. So the first one here is like a pick or stake that you can put into the ground, and it says, "Don't stop believing, sprout some love," with a little succulent there. And then this one here, these are all on like a burlap ribbon. So it has a little pot at the top, and then it says, "We were meant to be." And these are just the press board, but it looks like a galvanized steel. So those are super cute. This one here, I love the sign, Farmers Market. And then it has some greenery. And then the third one I picked up has the little metal canister flowering pot that says "Staying Alive." Super cute. And then some plants. The little fork and shovel there. Super cute. And then they had these two signs, which I loved as well. The first says Fresh Flower Market, and I love the color too that they used. And then this one is the opposite, where the green is in the wording and then the white is in behind. Weed it and reap. I loved every single one of these. Super cute. Dollar Tree's done it again. And then I picked up, what did I get here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I picked up 10 planters, and I love these. They are such an awesome size, nice and big. And then it has this detailing on the bottom as well as the top. And again, these came in this color as well as a terracotta, which was really pretty as well. And then there was a couple of these that were left, and so I grabbed them because they were the same color, and I figured I could hang these, and this way everything would match. And these are just the hanging planter baskets, but they had just like a shoestring to hang this up, which I didn't mind. It's not even right now, but I thought they were cute, and again, they'd match with the pots, so I just picked them up as well. And then the last thing that I have to share for this haul, I was really excited to come across these because I was actually going to pick some up at Giant Tiger, and they came in a pack of 2 for either $8 or $10. I can't really remember now, but these for $1.50 were a super deal, and I think they're so cute, so bright and perfect for the summer. Are these chair pads. And at first I wasn't sure if they were selling them because they were at the very top shelf, and so then I asked her and she said no, they are selling these also. So she pulled them down for me, and I wish I would have took a picture of the other ones that they had. There was pink flamingos, there was a blue one, and I don't quote me on this, but I think they were like in a beachy theme. They might have been shells. I can't really remember that. And then there was also another one, which I can't remember. I don't think I took a picture. No, I didn't take a picture because once she pulled them down, I just wanted to take what I needed and get out of the store. I didn't really want to be taking pictures, but they were all super cute, but this one I like the best. And it has the watermelons, limes, and lemons, and then the red piping around the edges. and then the back is just plain. But I thought these were really cute. For $1.25, that was, or actually $1.50, I thought that was an awesome deal. And that will do it for this Dollar Tree haul. It wasn't a very big one, but I was surprised. When I went in there, I didn't think I was actually going to find these things to bring home with me, but I was happy that I was able to find them and pick them up. I'm sorry that I haven't been posting more regular. A while back I had mentioned that I did have some work done on my mouth. I had gum surgery, and I don't know what it is, but for the last year I've been having a lot of issues with my teeth. So I'm just trying to work to get all that stuff fixed, because there's been days when I've been having a lot of pain in my jaw. And I do believe that contributes to a car accident that I was in. I have fibromyalgia, so a lot of times if I get flare-ups, I'm now really feeling it, at least for the last year, in my jaw. So that's been really hard to get motivated and try to make videos. And again, with my daughter being home and her doing schooling and us being out in the country, our internet is not the best. It was doing okay, but with her in schooling now, she really has to be able to have the best internet. So I try not to film anything when she is in school. So hopefully I will get back to a more regular posting. I have a lot of DIYs that I have in mind. I just need to have the time to do them and feel up to doing them as well, because I love making them. I love sharing them. I love when you guys enjoy my DIYs. I just love reading your comments, and I appreciate every single one of you. So if you guys enjoyed this video, I really hope you did. Please give it a thumbs up, share the video if you can. It'll greatly help my channel. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would absolutely love and appreciate it if you did. As always, guys, you take care, stay safe, be well, and I hope to catch you in my next video. Bye for now.